Well, I'm Jesse.
I'm Chris.
Today we'll be cooking fried chicken with a watermelon hot sauce using our beautiful Tefal products. So basic ingredients for the hot sauce: watermelon, apple cider vinegar, agave syrup, garlic, habanero chilies, long red chilies, and a bit of xanthan gum just to thicken it up. Watermelon is in. We just want to blitz it up, put it on blend. This is pretty much blended to what we like, nice and smooth. All right, in the pot. We got to put our agave syrup just for a bit of sweetness to balance everything. Every once in a while we'll stir it just to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom. A little salt, a little bit of black pepper. So while our hot sauce is going, we're gonna get the chicken ready. So I got my chicken tenders here. I have my brine, which is the buttermilk vinegar Old Bay seasoning, and our
Dredge.
Dredge. You got it, Chris, you got it. I like to marinate at least 12 to 24 hours in advance. Make sure you have some sort of acid. I use pickle juice in the brine. It helps to infuse the flavor and it just gives it a nice texture. So chicken in, just make sure you do a little shake. Yeah, we want that excess gone. We're gonna turn on this air fryer. And at home, this is like a much easier way of doing it. Straight into the air fryer and then pop her in. We're gonna cook this for 15 minutes. Set it and forget it. It's beeping. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna plate it up. Chicken in, and voila. There we have our fried chicken with watermelon hot sauce.
Amazing.
Can we eat it? Can we eat it? It's good?
That's very good.
Mm.
I can't believe it's cooked in the air fryer.
These air fryers are unbelievable.
Tastes so good, makes you want to slap your business phone.